Before a new skyline rises, something old must fall. And today's demolitions are far more than swinging wrecking balls. They're precise, high-tech performances powered by machines built to dismantle with both force and finesse. These demolition titans, from agile urban excavators to towering long-reach giants, are the unsung stars of urban transformation, balancing power, safety, and sustainability. Here are the top 10 demolition machines. Number 10. Takuchi TB395W Wheeled Excavator. Demolition in a city comes with its own set of challenges. Narrow streets, tight corners, and no room for bulky equipment. That's where the Takuchi TB395W comes into its own. Designed with a compact frame and mounted on wheels instead of tracks, this machine can zip between job sites without needing to hitch a ride on a transport truck. Its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic systems make it versatile enough for digging, hauling, and tearing down structures in confined spaces. The wheeled design gives it a turning radius that would make most tracked excavators jealous. Perfect for weaving through congested city blocks. Inside, operators get a comfortable, efficient workspace that keeps fatigue low and productivity high. When you've got a demolition job in the heart of the city, the TB395W is the one you call. Number 9. Barco 595 MHz Epic. Once a building is down, the job isn't over. You've got a mountain of rubble to sort, and that's where the Barco 595MH Epic comes in. This machine is a scrap-handling juggernaut, purpose-built to grab, lift, and separate demolition debris with almost surgical precision. Its secret weapon is a knuckle-boom arm with impressive reach. Instead of having to bring in extra machinery, the Barco can grab massive steel beams, lift heavy concrete chunks, and feed them straight into processing equipment. Its powerful hydraulics handle the strain without breaking a sweat. In big demolition jobs, it's all about keeping the site moving, and this machine's ability to clear and sort quickly can save thousands in labor and time. If demolition is a battle, the Barco is the cleanup crew that makes sure the field is ready for the next phase. Number 8. Arges Impactor 250. Imagine the aftermath of a demolition: steel, rebar tangled in broken concrete, splintered wood, and mangled sheet metal. Hauling that mess away in bulk is costly. The Arges Impactor 250 solves that problem by chewing it all up on site. This compact but ferocious shredder uses slow speed, high torque of power to break debris into smaller, manageable pieces. That not only reduces dust, a major health and environmental concern, but also increases efficiency by making materials easier to recycle. Its portability means it can be moved directly to the demolition zone, and its robust design ensures it keeps running in harsh, debris-filled conditions. If demolition were cooking, the Impactor 250 would be the industrial blender turning leftovers into something usable. Number 7. Husqvarna DXR Demolition Robots. Some demolition jobs are too dangerous for human operators. Unstable walls, toxic materials, or confined spaces. The Husqvarna DXR series exists for exactly those situations. These compact, remote-controlled robots can fit through doorways and tight passages, yet pack enough punch to crush concrete or slice through brickwork. Operators control them from a safe distance, steering them like a high-powered RC car. Except this toy can dismantle an entire floor of a building. They shine in high-rise interiors, hazardous industrial sites, or anywhere you'd rather keep people far away from falling debris. The result? More safety, less risk, and the ability to work in places traditional machinery simply can't reach. Number 6. Cenobogan 8-25E. Some machines are built for one thing. Others, like the Cenobogan 825E, can do just about everything. This versatile workhorse excels at both high-reach demolition and heavy material handling. Thanks to a modular design, operators can swap out attachments, from grapples to hydraulic breakers, in minutes, adapting the machine to whatever the job demands. Its advanced hydraulics ensure smooth, precise movements, while its exceptional stability makes it safe to operate even at lofty heights. Add in fuel efficiency and a reputation for reliability, and you've got a machine trusted by demolition crews all over the world. Number 5. Indeco HP Series Hydraulic Hammers. When the job calls for brute force, you bring in the Indeco HP series hydraulic hammers, available in sizes ranging from compact models for small-scale jobs to massive units capable of cracking the toughest rock. These hammers deliver maximum impact with surprisingly low vibration. They pair perfectly with excavators, turning them into demolition juggernauts that can pulverize concrete, asphalt, and stone. Indeco's focus on precision means operators can break apart structures cleanly without damaging surrounding materials, a crucial advantage when working in tight spaces or on selective demolition projects. Number 4. Komatsu PC490HRD-11. When demolition crews face a structure too tall, too stubborn, or too dangerous for standard machines, they roll in the Komatsu PC490HRD-11. Engineered with a reinforced chassis, a heavy-duty hydraulic system, and an extended reach, this machine is tailor-made for dismantling multi-story buildings without scaffolding. The spacious operator's cab offers a wide panoramic view, allowing precise control when slicing through steel beams or lifting massive chunks of debris. By cutting down on the need for additional platforms and reducing labor risks, the PC490HRD-11 makes high-rise demolition faster, safer, and more cost-effective. Whether it's an industrial plant, a tall office tower, or a large-scale infrastructure teardown, this Komatsu heavyweight has the muscle and the finesse to handle it. Number 3. Volvo E C480EHR. In the realm of high-reach demolition, the Volvo E C480EHR is a name spoken with respect. Its design focuses on two things: stability and precision at altitude. With an arm capable of stretching to impressive heights, it can take down towering structures piece by piece without sacrificing balance. An advanced hydraulic system paired with Volvo's intelligent monitoring keeps performance consistent while optimizing fuel usage, making it both powerful and eco-conscious. Inside, the cab is purpose-built for work in the clouds, giving operators an unobstructed view of their target and controls tuned for delicate maneuvers. It's this mix of raw strength and thoughtful engineering that makes the EC480EHR a go-to choice for complex high-rise demolition. Number 2. Doosan DX530L-7SLR. When you need to bring down a building from a safe distance, the Doosan DX530L-7SLR answers the call. Its super long reach arm and specialized attachments make it capable of tackling structures that other machines can't even touch. This behemoth can dismantle concrete, steel, and other materials with remarkable control, thanks to finely tuned hydraulics. It's a favorite for large-scale projects where both reach and lifting power are critical. Whether it's a bridge, a tower, or an industrial complex, the DX530L-7SLR gets the job done from a position of safety and stability. Number 1. Caterpillar 330 Straight Boom Excavator. Topping the list is the Caterpillar 330 Straight Boom Excavator, a master class in combining reach, stability, and precision. Designed for high-reach demolition in tight urban environments, its straight boom allows operators to dismantle structures from a safe distance, keeping both crew and equipment out of danger. The 330's ability to work with a wide range of attachments, including shears, crushers, and hydraulic hammers, makes it incredibly versatile. Fuel efficiency and an advanced hydraulic system keep operating costs low without sacrificing performance. Inside, the cab offers outstanding comfort and visibility, ensuring that operators can work long shifts without fatigue. For demolition contractors around the globe, the CAT 330 is the ultimate blend of safety, power, and adaptability. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of heavy metal destruction, smash that like and hit subscribe. We've got even bigger builds, louder engines, and more insane engineering coming your way. Until next time, stay safe and keep building or demolishing.